Welcome. In front of me is a ESSENTIELB Wooze L, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, let's tap on the dialer up and then tap on the three dots where you will find import export option, and here copy contacts from, so you want to select your SIM card, that's where the contacts are. Tap on next and then copy the contacts to our phone. Now if you are logged into Google, you might actually have another option here, basically to your Gmail. You could sync them there, but because I'm not, it only gives me one option, so let's tap on next. And here you'll have a list of all the contacts that are on the SIM card. It also gives you a SIM card number, which is basically the tray that it's in. That's for the purpose if you have two SIM cards inserted into the device, so you can distinguish which contact is from which SIM card. So from here you can select which contacts you want by just simply checking them like so. And once you're done, press on OK. And that's about it. Now all the contacts have been imported that I have selected. And if you go into the contacts itself, you will see right now that there are contacts that are still on the SIM card. Those are the ones with the SIM logo and a number to it, so SIM2. And then there are the ones that don't have anything. Those are the ones that are located on the device that I have imported. So that is how you import contacts. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.